In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a radiator cooling fan blade on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip pliers, we're going to remove the 9 clips for the radiator cover. There should be one here. Ours was stolen. Remove the radiator cover. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 bolts for the radiator fan shroud. There's one more on the passenger side under the radiator hose. Remove the overflow hose from the radiator. Lift slightly up on the shroud and push it back. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 4 nuts for the fan blade. Hold the fan fin as you break the nut free. I'm going to break all of mine free and then use an electric tool to pull them off. Remove the fan from the clutch. Remove it from the vehicle. We're going to remove the nut off of the stud. We're using a stud extractor installer socket, putting our stud in there, and using our 10mm socket to remove the nut. If you had any studs that came out, install them into the fan clutch. We're going to use a stud installer to install the stud. We're going to go until this gets snug on the shoulder in the middle of the bolt. Get the nut started. Snug the nuts down. Torque the fan blade nuts to 7 foot-pounds. Pull the radiator shroud up and against the radiator. We're going to then drop it down. It's going to drop into 2 pins. Pull it forward on the top. Get the 2 bolts installed. Install the bolt under the radiator hose. Snug it down. Install the radiator cover. Install the clips. Install the coolant overflow hose onto the radiator, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.